It is 9 degrees in Austin, Texas. Negative 5 or 6. This wind is very cold. That's a lot of snow. No power in the house. The power's been off for almost 2 hours now. It's freezing in the house. I got my truck on because I'm gonna have to get in it pretty soon because we can't take it too much longer. I guess my sticker says the right thing. Ice Age Heating and Cooling. Because it definitely is cold. Oh man, my hands are gonna freeze. Oh, never seen this kind of weather before in my life. My feet. It's crazy. That's it. I mean, your whole hands are turning, it's just freezing. I gotta get back inside. Never thought this would happen. Blizzard in Austin, Texas.